Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today we have a special unboxing video, another great, awesome Father's Day gift by Mrs. Legs and Bobby Legs Jr. and Maggie Legs. And so here we go. Kids, just stay clear of the knife. We get all our clocks from Cuckoo clocks from Hickory, Dickory, or at least my wife gets them all for me from there, and that is in Nyack, New York. And I'll put a link to their website in the description below. So I have a theme for Cuckoo clocks, and the collection has stepped up over the last year and a half, and look at this thing. And so I'm just gonna keep it in the box right now. These are very delicate. Watch out there, Maggie, it's not a toy. It's very serious. This is a Cuckoo clock that not only has a cuckoo, but it also has these dancers here who also on the hour dance around. So it is a 3-chain cuckoo clock. So 1 chain to power up the movement, another one for the cuckoo, and another one for the music. So we're gonna take this out of the box, put it up on the wall, and I'll give you guys a final shot of it in action at the end of the video.
Huh, that's great. That's great. Hey Mom, can I see the video?